You can unlock using remote. It is automatically locking. So after some second, it will automatically lock. Then using fingerprint, you can unlock. It is automatically lock. Then you can unlock using card, RFID card. Then password. And using Bluetooth application, you can unlock it. Also with manual, you can lock and unlock manually. From backside you can do that. Using remote you can lock and unlock. Here there is magnet, and this side also magnet is there. So when you will close, this will lock automatically. You can unlock with this and lock. Also with remote, you can unlock, lock.